Drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, drive!
First couple shots are up. This is 25-21. Cert, who just slow and steady puts them away. Very consistent shooter, the likes we haven't seen this far today. They may have taken the entirety of the autonomous period, but they're able to get 9 kilopascals. Excellent job from that Phantom machine and the Blue Alliance. Red with the advantage, though, as they do start off now, each with one rotor turning. Red Alliance, though, going to carry that autonomous advantage of 20 points. Not something the Blue Alliance is going to let bother them, though. Blue Alliance definitely could take over this match. They just have to try and grab control here by spilling fuel everywhere. Looks like the Blue Alliance may be trying to slow down the red advances. Seems to be giving a tough time to St. Helens here as they pull into position for red. They now get a gear. Better late than never for the Red Alliance, now in possession and looking to score. 1.5 minutes are remaining in this match as gears begin to go up on both sides. 2 rotors turning for red. Blue Alliance now finally able to get that second rotor going. Better late than never on that one. Red still holds the advantage, over a minute to play. Couple gears required by the Blue Alliance pilots as they try to yell to the drivers, asking, making demands, if you will, doing whatever they can to communicate their needs. Their alliance partner, though, this looks like 25-21. Cert with a few game pieces there, maybe where they shouldn't be. Looks like Cert holding onto a gear. Also have a couple of those fuel pieces stuck in the machine. Now the gear twisted sideways. This could be the end for Cert as that gear falls into the center part of their machine for Blue. Blue Alliance claiming they need one more gear with only 35 seconds to go. Red already down to 3 rotors. They're gonna have a tough time if they go for that number 4 rotor. Drivers opting to drop the ropes now. Gears begin to lose their value in the final seconds. Red Alliance machines looking to climb. It could still be anyone's match here if we see the climbing really decide this one. Blue Alliance needs to climb to pull out. Red already with 1 machine in the air. 2 bots are up for red. They're looking like they're gonna pull a third. Red Alliance Stormbots close the deal with 3 seconds to go. What a nice show there. Both sides of the field, we see bots in the air. Unfortunately, though, Blue Alliance still has 1 machine on the ground. Red, though, fully prepared for takeoff. Our scores are being double, triple checked. And with that, scores are ready. Get them on the board. Take a look at the sky as these airships take flight. And before you know it, the Red Alliance pulls out a win. A much-deserved victory there for our Red Alliance. 2 ranking points. Look at them inching their way to the top of the rankings there, Eric.
Yep, 25-21 was trying to prepare for flight on its own. That blue machine was picked up and on top of several of the red robots throughout the match. They also picked up a couple penalty points because some of that contact was over in the red feeder station where you're not allowed to be.
Yeah, drivers have to be really careful with some of the boundaries on this field. It's quite a complicated grounds to play on. Some areas you're going to have to be cautious of or else you're going to pull some penalties.
Let's look at the beginning of the match. High point for Blue. We start off and watch this shooting. We're 9 for 9 by my count. Here, go ahead and roll that forward for me.